Just imagine, in another dimension, right now, as you're listening to my voice, there might be another you, living a life in a different universe, where every decision you've made is different. Every path you've chosen leads to a different outcome. That other you might be happier or sadder, more successful, or facing even greater challenges. And what if these possibilities aren't just a dream, but a scientific reality that is being seriously explored? How would you feel if we might not be living in a single universe after all? Hello, dear listeners. Welcome to a moment where we will explore the mysteries of the universe and our own existence together. Today, I want to invite you to ask a question that might change your perspective on the world and on yourself forever. The question is, might we not be living in a single universe? The concept of the multiverse is not new. It has appeared in myths, literature, and films for a long time, but currently it has entered the realm of science and philosophy in a serious way. Many scientists and philosophers are beginning to ask if the universe we inhabit might be just one of countless universes existing simultaneously or continuously. Close your eyes slowly and imagine possibilities without limits, beyond what you have ever perceived, beyond the universe we see with our eyes and feel with our senses. It is a concept that is both exciting and daunting at the same time, because it challenges everything we once believed about reality and our place in the cosmos. If the multiverse concept is true, that means every small decision you've ever made in life, every crossroads you've chosen, might create a new universe where another you is living with the consequences of different decisions. In one universe, you might have chosen to study your dream field and succeeded in that path, while in another universe, you might have chosen a different path and are learning from mistakes or discovering happiness in a different way. It's like standing in front of a giant mirror, reflecting millions of images of ourselves. Each image is a version of us in a different universe, with its own life, feelings, and story. Before we dive into complex theories, let's understand the basic concept of the multiverse first. Generally, the multiverse concept can be divided into several types, but its core is the existence of more than one universe, which may differ in terms of physical laws, natural constants, or even history and events. Imagine, our universe is like a single soap bubble, floating in a vast bathtub, filled with countless other soap bubbles. Each soap bubble is a universe, with its own rules and stories. Some bubbles might be close enough to touch, some might be so far apart that they can never interact. Scientists and philosophers have proposed many forms of multiverse theories, each with different concepts and supporting evidence. Let's explore some prominent theories. The many worlds interpretation comes from quantum mechanics, which describes the behavior of very small particles. In the quantum world, particles can exist in multiple different states simultaneously until we make a measurement. When we make a measurement, the particle chooses one state and the other states disappear. But this theory proposes that the other states don't disappear. Instead, they branch off into parallel universes, where another you is experiencing a different outcome. That means, every time a quantum event occurs, the universe branches into multiple universes, each containing all possible outcomes of that event. Just think, every second, countless quantum events occur. That means the universe is constantly branching, creating new universes all the time. Another theory is bubble universes, or cosmic foam. This comes from the concept of cosmic inflation, which was a period when the universe expanded rapidly after the Big Bang. Some forms of inflation theory suggest that This expansion didn't happen just once, but continuously in many areas, leading to the creation of many bubble universes. Each bubble is a universe, with different physical laws and natural constants. Imagine, our universe is like a small soap bubble, floating in a vast ocean of other soap bubbles. Some bubbles might be much larger than us, some might be smaller, and some might have just formed. It is a picture of an infinite universe, full of diverse and completely different possibilities. And that means, in those universes, there might be life forms completely different from us, or there might be worlds similar to ours, but with slightly altered histories, or even a version of you listening to this podcast, but in a completely different environment. And what if all of this is just a simulation? This concept suggests that the reality we are experiencing might just be an incredibly complex computer program created by a much more advanced civilization than us, like the computer games we play every day. But a game so realistic that we cannot distinguish if this is real or just an illusion. This concept has gained significant attention from philosophers and scientists, especially as our computer technology advances, allowing us to create increasingly realistic virtual worlds. The question is, if we can create realistic simulations, why couldn't a more advanced civilization do the same? And if we are in a simulated world, who is the creator? And what is the purpose of this simulation? Are we just characters in a game, or do we truly have free will? Then there's the mathematical multiverse. This theory might sound the most complex, but it is also one of the most interesting concepts. Max Tegmark, a physicist from MIT, proposes that every possible mathematical structure exists as a physical universe. That means not just universes with laws of physics similar to ours, but also universes with completely different mathematical rules, which might be beyond our imagination. It's as if mathematics is not just a language we use to describe the universe, but the universe itself. And every correct mathematical equation represents a reality that truly exists. Of course, these theories still lack clear scientific proof. They remain within the realm of hypotheses and speculation. But the fact that we can even conceive of these possibilities is amazing in itself. It makes us question what we believe to be true and what we believe to be impossible, and opens the door to exploring the limitless possibilities of the universe. But the deeper question is, if there are many universes and many versions of you, what is our true identity? Are we the person listening to this right now, or are we the sum of all our versions in all universes? This question invites us to consider the meaning of identity, whether it is something fixed or something that changes with decisions and experiences in each moment. In the context of the multiverse, our identity might not be limited to a single universe, but it might extend across all universes where we exist, and every version of us is part of a larger self. And if every possibility comes true in some universe, how much meaning do our decisions in this universe have? Do our choices, our actions, still matter if there's another version of us who chose the opposite? This question connects to the concept of free will. If everything is predetermined in some universe, do we truly have the freedom to choose? Some might feel that, if that's the case, life might be meaningless, because no matter what we choose, there will always be another version who chose differently. But from another perspective, it might make us appreciate the value of our present decisions even more, because this is our path in our universe, and every choice, every action, creates the version of ourselves we are in this moment. It is an acceptance that even if there are many other versions of you in other universes, you in this universe are unique and have the freedom to create your own story. Our decisions in this universe impact our lives in this universe, and that is something we can control. The concept of the multiverse is not just a distant scientific story, but it profoundly impacts our understanding of ourselves and our daily life decisions. If there are other universes where every possibility comes true, then how much meaning do our choices in this universe have? Do our actions still matter if there's another version of us who chose the opposite? Just think, if you are facing a difficult decision in life, thinking about the multiverse concept might help you see things from a broader perspective. No matter which path you choose, it will be the right path for you in this universe. And in another universe, another you is learning from a different path. It might free us from past regrets or future anxieties, because everything is part of limitless possibilities, and every choice leads to learning and growth in its own way. It is an open mind to accept uncertainty and the diversity of reality. Although the multiverse concept is exciting and imaginative, there are limitations and questions that are still debated among scientists and philosophers. One of the main arguments is the lack of clear empirical evidence. Most of these theories remain mathematical and physical hypotheses that cannot yet be proven by direct experimentation or observation. Some critics view that referring to the multiverse to explain certain phenomena might be avoiding finding true answers in our own universe, or creating theories that are unnecessarily complex to answer questions that have no answers yet. Furthermore, if there are countless universes with different physical laws, then what makes our universe have laws so miraculously suitable for the existence of life? This is what is called the fine-tuning of the universe, which some see as evidence of a designer, while others believe that if there are enough universes, then some universes are bound to coincidentally have properties suitable for the existence of life. In the end, whether we believe in the multiverse concept or not, exploring these ideas is still valuable. It invites us to explore the depths of reality and the meaning of existence. It stimulates us to think about our place in the vast universe and our relationship with limitless possibilities. It makes us realize that our knowledge of the universe is still limited, and there are many mysteries waiting to be discovered. What do you think? Might we not be living in a single universe? And if so, how will you live your life in this universe to make it the most valuable and create your story to be the most unique? Because no matter how many universes there are, this universe is the one you are living in, and every moment of yours always has meaning.